Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be cooking green gram beans, and I have them here ready cooked, boiled. I have my tomatoes ready, garlic, onions. I'll be using coconut milk. So welcome, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. All right, we're going to start with onions. I'm going to add my garlic, chopped garlic. Very quickly. Next, I'll add the tomatoes. So let the tomatoes cook very well. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can use tomato sauce or tomato paste. And I'm going to add curry powder. I'm also going to add a little bit of paprika. And let this cook for another like 2 minutes. Add some salt and maybe a cup of water. And let this cook for like 2 more minutes before adding the ground bean. And we'll be adding the beans now. Then add the coconut milk. Mix it together. I'm going to let it cook for another 15 minutes, but at medium heat. So let it simmer for 15 minutes, covered. After 15 minutes of simmering, the green gram blend stew is ready to be served. So this is how my stew came out looking. Thank you so much for always watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Bye bye.